That means we're going to open the presents up.
That's right. Let's see what we got here.
When it's Christmas Sunny, we get to open our presents.
Oh, this is the book that tells us how to put things together.
Let's start with these Legos first, Daddy.
Okay.
Start with Legos here.
Okay, let's see. You think that's the house? Think it's this one?
Yeah.
Tell us what it is. Yep, it looks like the house. Want to build something smaller first?
Let's build a house.
Alright, let's build a house.
But here's the window with the little part. Are these for the houses too?
I don't know.
How we're going to open this box?
Let's hold on a second. You want to build the house?
Yes.
Okay. We gotta follow the instructions. We need a big blue one. Actually, those are two blue ones.
Here, a big blue one.
I need these blue ones. So we put one here on the corner.
I found
and then another one.
I found one.
Okay. Now I need a blue one. I need a two-piece blue one.
What each?
Need one. Here.
More Lego parts.
More Lego parts.
We need it for the house.
Here's what I was looking for.
I want more Lego parts of these.
Okay. Not yet. We will though.
But I thought we were going to open up this one, Daddy.
Open up that one.
Yeah.
Be careful not to lose these parts.
I'm not going to lose those parts.
These are little tiny ones.
I'm not going to lose them. I got you them. Now I put them on. However, we're going to put them on.
You see? You put a red one here, and a red one here, and then orange and orange. So red, red, orange, orange.
How are we going to put these on?
There you go. You gotta push them down on the thing up there.
This up here too. Orange red goes here. Red goes here too. We're too busy. We are like constructions, Daddy. We're just like constructions, Daddy.
That's right.
We have to put the roof on. Can we put the roof onto it? Now it has to go to the... Now we have to make the roof.
All these white pieces. So these go...
You can find it. And I'm not good at these things.
Oh, you are too. You're really good at these things.
No. Four tires? Three tires? Where's the other one tire? Is there other tire that you got?
Is there another tire? I'm still looking. There it is. Wow. That guy was hidden good. So he goes there. Alright, buddy, the house is all done. You see the house?
Yes, now you have to build the rest. Now we can open up the minutes.
Alright, let's put the Legos in the box first, okay?
We
don't
did
lose
it!
them. We did it, buddy. Dame cinco.